In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a class website for teachers using Google Sites. Whether you're a teacher looking to enhance your students' learning experiences or simply aiming to have an organized online hub for your educational resources, Google Sites makes it remarkably easy and intuitive. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide, ensuring you can swiftly set up a class website tailored to your needs. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Sites. If you're not familiar with Google Sites, it's a free and user-friendly tool provided by Google that enables you to build websites with ease. Simply open your web browser and type sites.google.com to access the platform. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the straightforward design, which makes navigation a breeze. Upon reaching the Google Sites homepage, look for the option labeled Template Gallery. The template gallery is your best friend when creating a class website because it offers a variety of design templates that can jumpstart your project, saving you time and effort. Click on Template Gallery and you'll be presented with a collection of pre-designed templates ranging from simple suits to more visually striking layouts. As you browse through the templates, find and click on the one labeled Class. This selection is designed specifically for educational purposes and is perfect for your class website. The class template offers a structure that supports content that educators typically share, such as class schedules, homework assignments, and announcements, helping you to maintain a seamless educational flow right from the get-go. Once you've selected the class template, you can start customizing the content to suit your specific requirements. This step is all about personalizing the website to reflect your class's identity and to meet the particular needs of your students. You'll find that Google Sites provides an intuitive editor with drag and drop features, allowing you to effortlessly modify text, add images, and embed videos. This means you can promptly update the class syllabus, post new homework assignments, and even include links to valuable educational resources. In addition to text and images, feel free to explore various layouts and color schemes to make your website visually appealing and engaging for your students. The goal here is to craft an online space that's not only informative but also inviting and easy to navigate. With a few tweaks and adjustments, you'll have a polished, professional-looking class website ready to enhance your teaching experience. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up a class website using Google Sites. By following these simple steps, you'll have a functional and aesthetically pleasing site that supports your teaching efforts and contributes positively to your students' learning journey. Happy teaching!